This video will detail and demonstrate for you the following: the features of the tubeless vacuum or TVN table, the Rapid 24 tool changer, and the 5-axis router spindle. Then we'll machine rails, styles, raised panels, and door jambs. We'll fully outline the controller, devote several minutes to the amazing Alpha WinDoor software, and outline the training provided for customers of the TVN routers of SCM. The RD132 PRISMA TVN features an LED indicator on each vacuum rail. This enables the operator to perfectly position the vacuum rail along the X-axis and individual cups or clamps along the Y-axis of the vacuum rail. The workpiece is held securely in position while the vacuum rails, cups, or clamps are clear anytime tools are in operation. Positioning the cups on the vacuum rail is literally a snap, as demonstrated by SCM engineer Sergio Castro. Each machine is equipped with pop-up pins along the reference bar and pop-up pins along the vacuum rails. Each part requires 3 points of reference, therefore 3 pins. As you can see, the operator is placing the lock rail, the kick rail, and the top rail onto the machine using the pins as a reference. After parts are positioned, vacuum is activated and the pins drop out of the way. We'll review the table components once more. Pop-up pins ensure accurate positioning of the parts against the reference bars. LED indicators assist in the precise alignment of each vacuum rail and each vacuum cup. And a key production element is the number of reference bars. Here we have 2 reference bars for each work zone. The number of reference bars is dependent on the length of the bed. Beds are available in lengths from 10 to 24 feet. This one happens to be 18 feet. Additional features of the TVN table include lifting supports. These are available to the operator when loading heavy parts such as door stiles or a fully assembled door. Again, note how these stiles are positioned against the reference pins along the reference bar. The reference pins positioned on the vacuum rails ensure the stiles are precisely perpendicular to the reference bar. This router is equipped with a Rapid 24 tool changer. Due to the wide variety of sticking, coping, paneling, and tenon necessary for door and window production, a large tool changer is essential. Oftentimes, the Rapid 24 is perfectly adequate for door and window shops, but additional tool changers can be easily added that will bring the total number of tools to as many as 84. Quality, balanced insert tooling combined with a powerful router spindle assure quality, long-term performance. The next few minutes will be devoted to showing you the RD132 PRISMA TVN in action, machining door rails, stiles, raised panels, and jambs. First, using the saw blade mounted in the 5-axis spindle, it cuts the lock rail and the kick rail to length. Next, the same process is used to cut the top rail to length. Following software commands, the RD132 brings a cope tool into play. Note that when the 5-axis spindle operates in the 3-axis mode, the dust collection hood lowers automatically. This occurs whenever enhanced dust collection is required. Now all 3 rails are coped quickly and precisely. After completing the required cope cuts, the machine changes tools in order to machine the top rail. In this case, it selects a 3/4 inch sizing cutter to machine the top rail to its final geometry. Whenever the spindle is positioned vertically, the dust cover will once again automatically come into position. The next tool is a 3/4 inch finish cutter. It will ensure a smooth quality edge on the top surface of the top rail and then on the bottom surface of the kick rail. Next, the stick profile is machined where required. Finally, the 9-position drill unit with horizontal boring capabilities drills the dowel pinholes. Since this is a segmented door, the top rail dowel pinholes are not aligned along the Y-axis. So the 5-axis spindle is used to drill the dowel pinholes at the proper angle. Here are the finished rails manufactured with a precise accuracy that will be repeated every time. Such a precise, repeatable process is difficult to achieve with manual machining.